In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Miro support. First, sign into your Miro account and land on your dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your boards, teams, and recent activity. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you manage or belong to multiple teams, so your request goes to the right context. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. This might be your initials or a photo. From the menu that appears, choose Learning Center. This takes you to Miro's built-in help hub, where you can search articles, explore guides, and reach the support team when available for your plan. Inside the Learning Center, find the navigation on the left and select the Contact Support tab. If you don't see this tab, double-check that you're signed in and that your plan includes direct support access. Some roles and plans may not display the option. You'll be prompted to pick a topic for your request. Choose the category that best matches your issue, then follow the on-screen prompts to select subtopics. This step matters because it routes your ticket to the right specialist and can speed up the resolution. If you're unsure, pick the closest match and use the description field to clarify the details. When the support request form opens, fill it out thoroughly. Add a clear subject line and a concise, step-by-step description of what's happening, including what you expected to happen instead. Include relevant context like your board URL, affected team or workspace, your browser, and operating system, and whether the issue occurs for others. Attach screenshots or a short screen recording if possible. Visuals help support reproduce and diagnose problems faster. Avoid including any sensitive information such as passwords, private keys, or personal data. Keep the details focused on the issue itself. When everything looks good, click Submit. You should see a confirmation on screen and receive an email with your ticket details. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder for replies, and be ready to provide additional information if support requests it. Response times can vary based on your plan and the current queue. A quick reminder before we wrap up, only users on paid plans can contact Miro support directly through this flow. If you're on a free plan and don't see the option, use the Learning Center to browse help articles and training or explore community resources for guidance. That's all you need to reach Miro support effectively.